Here's some tips. This is from truckstop.com for minimizing your taxes. Okay, so here's let's see, I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 tips for you. All right, minimize your retirement contribution, maximize your retirement contributions. Okay, so that's tip number 1. Take advantage of per diem rates, meals, and incidental expenses. This is something I was missing, and it will really change your tax amount for sure. Keep detailed records of all business-related expenses. Stay informed about your local tax laws, especially as they change and affect the trucking industry. Consider incorporating your business or forming an LLC. Please talk to your accountant and or lawyer about this, folks. Not everybody should be incorporated. Most truck drivers should be, but a lot of starts as sole proprietor. There are some benefits to that. There are also some downfalls to that. So make sure that you are talking to a professional before you go and do that, but check that out. Plan for major purchases strategically, you know, things like tires and, you know, if you need to redo the motor or anything like that, check that out. And then always consult with a tax professional, preferably somebody specializing in the trucking industry. Because that is seriously, there's some different stuff that most people wouldn't think about. Make sure you keep all your receipts and documentation. For 7 years in Canada, they're saying 3 years here, but 7 years in Canada. Separate personal and business expenses. Stay up to date with the IRS guidelines for truck drivers or CRA in Canada. Be aware of the difference between deductible and non-deductible expenses so you know what you can have. And always make quarterly tax payments to avoid steep penalties and unwelcome surprises. Trust me on that one as well. So there you go. Hopefully there's some tax information to help you as an owner-operator. Trust me, we've been in business for a long time, and you can think you're doing things right and not be doing things right. So it is important, like Brent said, to make sure that you are talking with your tax professional on a regular basis. Have them come and help you. And if they're not giving you the answers you want, I say make a change. All right, my friends. So there you go. That's our tax episode for this month. Make sure you subscribe to the podcast on your favorite podcast platform, because we have lots more business tips coming out as we go through the month of February. And good luck with your taxes. That's all I have to say. All right, my friends, we'll talk to you later.
This has been another episode of the Lead Pedal Podcast. For more information or to subscribe to the podcast, visit theleadpedalpodcast.com and be sure to follow the podcast on Facebook and Twitter.